Hey my dear friend, today I am going to talk about why I am using Podia. You might have heard this word first time. So if you are new, I want to tell you that the Podia is a platform where you can sell your courses. You can give your services from your comfort of your home and earn a lot of income in your life. So today I am going to discuss with you, I am going to share with you the reason why I am using Podia. So the number one reason I'm using Podia is it helps me to sell my courses online. Number one. Number two, it gives me opportunity to take my payment online. So wherever I am, whatever I am doing, I can sell my courses and I can get the payment in my bank account. Number three, I can upload unlimited number of courses in this Podia. Number four, I can upload ample of videos for my courses. Number five, I can upload n number of audio files for my courses. Number six, I can upload as many documents as I want for my courses. Number seven, I can do webinars from my comfort of my home. Number eight, I can pre-sell my course. Pre-sell is if I have not created my course, then also I can sell my courses on the Podia. So that is called pre-selling of your course. Number nine, I can do one-to-one coaching, and for this I can create a system to book my appointment in advance. Number 10, I can create my own community for my organization, for my coaching, for my training, for my classes. So these are the 10 reasons, and the 11th reason what I want to tell you is the very important reason, and that is the money part. Because I researched a number of websites where I can sell my courses online, where I can teach online from my comfort of my home, where I can conduct my webinars from my home. So after researching, after comparison, after doing a lot of comparison, finally I found Podia has the payment plan that is not comparable with any other websites. If you go to any website, you need to spend at least 10 to 20,000 per month for conducting your classes, for taking your whole courses online. But in this Podia, just start spending 3 to 4,000 in between, and you will be able to launch your own course online. You will be able to connect with your audience. You will be able to create your community. You will be able to upload your videos. You will be able to conduct one-to-one coaching. You will be able to take payment online. You will be able to book your courses in advance. So these are the facility which Podia gives, and this is the time for you, my dear friend, to start working on your course material and take this whole course material online on Podia. And for this, if you want to start this on Podia, we have a link here. You can just go to the link, click that link, and you can start 14 days trial. It's a 14 days trial, my dear friend. If you click it, register it, and you can explore the Podia for 14 days. And after 14 days, if you feel that it is okay for you, if you feel that it is good for you, you just become the paid member of the Podia. And this is the time, my dear friend. Remember the Corona call. Remember that lockdown period. How people lost their jobs. How the business of people got ruined. How people were very in crunch condition. Let us not face the same condition in your life. If you take your expertise, if you take your knowledge, if you take your courses online, so whatever happens in the world, your business, your coaching, your training, your classes will be happening 24/7. And you will be in comfort condition. Your financial condition will never be the same what happened in Corona period, what happened during lockdown period. So let us make your life safe, secure by taking your whole courses on Podia online. If you want to have one-to-one coaching with me, go to the link and click that link, talk to Sanjay Shail one-to-one. Okay, my dear friend. So thank you for watching this video.